To matters ladies now, Wesley Korir, the Cherangani Member of Parliament, who is also a Kenyan marathoner, has weighed in on the wider debate and calling the government to sort out this issue so as to ensure that Team Kenya goes to the Rio Olympics this year. This comes with the Deputy President William Ruto saying that the government is doing all that they have to do so as to sort out this mess.
Swali ambayo tungependa kuuliza ni kwamba nini ilifanyika ndio hatukuwa compliant. Utusaidie na Uhuru Kenyatta mtusaidie ili wakimbiaji wetu, watoto wetu waweze kupata riziki ya kutosha kwa maana tuko na watu wengi.
If now we are not compliant, it really means a lot for our image and the respect that we've been having as now and will go down. It is coming at the wrong time when we are going for the Olympics. But we hope we will get out of this strongly.
The government of Kenya is going to ensure that whatever the issues that have been raised by the World Anti-Doping Agency, we are going to make sure that we sort out those issues.
We just hope that this issue is going to be sorted out and Kenya is going to take part in Rio Olympics this year. But to matters of the Kenya Premier League, where this weekend you're going to have different matches and different teams will just be trying to bag maximum points in their ties. And very, very impressive Moroni Youth is going to be playing FC Leopards. And in that tie, Wycliffe Onchomo is expected to be on his goal scoring form. And also Posta Rangers will be playing Chemil Sugar. Sony Sugar is going to be going up against Thika United, while league leaders Tusker FC, who are currently even leading on the goal scoring form with 18 goals, are going to be going all up against Sofapaka, a side that has conceded 17 goals so far. So another tie that is scheduled for the weekend is Gor Mahia is going to be up against Western Stima in a tie that is scheduled for Sunday. So we just wait and see which teams are going to impress in matters Kenya Premier League.